Hong Kong has become, by far, the world's largest offshore renminbi business center. As the renminbi becomes increasingly popular as a financing and transaction currency for Belt and Road projects, Hong Kong stands ready to offer our services to investors around the world. Last year, the Hong Kong Monetary Authority set up an infrastructure financing facilitation office as a one-stop shop to help companies finance infrastructure projects. More than 60 organizations have joined as business partners, including financial agencies, banks, investors, and insurance companies. Beyond financing, we're encouraging the growth of new financing activities. We have, for example, just introduced a legislative proposal on tax concessions for qualifying aircraft lessors and leasing managers, and in maritime services as well, from financing to insurance. And let me just add that Hong Kong is right at the heart of a strategic point of the 21st century maritime Silk Road, namely the Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macau Bay Area. This area, covering 11 of the more prosperous cities of China and a total population of 66 million, presents huge and fresh opportunities for all. A development plan for this Bay Area is being jointly prepared. In this new regional cooperation initiative, financial services will be Hong Kong's key strength.